Interest-based targeting in LinkedIn ads. Normally, interest-based targeting is not as precise as there are other targeting options in LinkedIn ads. For example, let's say job titles targeting, or let's say groups-based targeting. But interest-based targeting can be used, let's say if you have a large audience size and you want to further reduce the audience sizes. So in that case, you can use an interest-based targeting. So when you go into the audience attributes under the interest and the traits column, you would see members interest, and there you would have three kinds of targeting: general interest targeting, product interest targeting, and service interest targeting. So general interest targeting, as the name implies, is more of our general category, as LinkedIn says reach members based on their direct or inferred interest in general categories. So as you can see here, we can further drill it down. For example, let's say if we are targeting marketing and advertising, so we can click on advertising strategies here. We can further let's say click on, for example, performance-based marketing. We can further click on, if we just want to target affiliate marketing, people who have interest in affiliate marketing, we can just select that, for example. So there is a lot of drill down option here when it comes to the general interest categories. Similarly, if you look at the product interest, the people who have an interest in particular products, so reach members based on their direct or inferred interest in product categories. So most of these are software based. So for example, let's say data science software, so you can just click on that. Similarly, if you want to select statistical analysis software or any particular software, you can select that and can decide your targeting based upon that. Apart from that, there is another option of service-based targeting. So again, one is the product and another is the service interest. So again, reach members based upon their direct or inferred interest in service category. So you can see, so there is not much drill down options here as it was in the general and the product interest category. So you can select if you want to target people who have interest in business consultancy services. So in this way you can select it. Similarly, in the segment breakdown also, you will be able to see, once you have selected your targeting, you will be able to see what your target members' interests are, and this could also help you in understanding whether you are targeting the right people or not. Similarly, let's say if you have imported your customer lists in HubSpot, then you can go into the audience tab under the plan section and can look at the insights, and there also you can see like what are the interests are there of your customers, and this can also help you in further deciding what the general interests are there and what the product interests are there, and this can also help you in further selecting the proper interest and further narrowing down your targeting audiences. So just to summarize, interest-based targeting is not as precise as other targeting options that are there on LinkedIn, and it is not used as much. But if you have very large ideal customer profile, which is let's say more than 80,000, 1 lakh, and if you want to reduce it further, then you can use interest-based targeting as a narrowing option to reduce your audience size or to be able to have more precise audience. Thanks so much.